I use the Roald Dahl lesson plans because they're so easy to get to online, they're free of charge and it saves a lot of time. Everything's there, easy to use and really exciting for the children. So the lesson plans that are available for all age groups, but they're really easy to adapt. So I've adapted it for my class, which is year 2. The ideas are already there to start you off. It talks about verbs, nouns, adjectives, which we have been doing, but I knew for this class in particular they would love to do the designing, the packaging. So the verbs, nouns, adjectives we did as a whole class rather than an individual activity for each child. So then they could get on with the packaging and then include what we taught as a whole class. It's really benefited because through one topic they've been able to access lots of parts of the curriculum, literacy, some numeracy, discussions, PSHE, art, and it really sparks their imagination. They get really involved, they're so excited when the lesson plans come up on the board when we know we're doing a Roald Dahl activity because they just love doing it, really exciting for them. The children are really excited by Roald Dahl because they know all the characters already, so it's doing it in a fun way but ticking off all the areas of the curriculum that they need to be covered. I knew that they liked the Roald Dahl stories, but I wasn't sure because we've done a whole topic on it and we've done quite a lot of lessons. I thought, oh, they might have had enough, but they're not. Every time there's a new lesson, they're still excited, they're still engaged, they want to do more, so it's brilliant how it's worked out for them. The children really connect with them. There's so many different activities to do. It really sparks their imagination using the Roald Dahl books and using the resources. It just makes my life a lot easier.